Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Subaru Legacy faster. First, consider upgrading your air intake system. A high-performance cold air intake allows your engine to breathe more freely, drawing in cooler, denser air. This improved airflow leads to more efficient combustion and can result in a noticeable increase in horsepower, often between 5 and 15 horsepower. It's a relatively simple modification that yields immediate benefits for your car's performance. Next, let's talk about your exhaust system. Replacing your stock exhaust with a performance-oriented one can significantly reduce back pressure, allowing exhaust gases to exit the engine more quickly. This reduction in restriction helps your engine produce more power, typically adding another 5 to 10 horsepower. Look for systems designed specifically for your Subaru Legacy to ensure optimal fit and performance gains. Another effective way to boost your Legacy's speed is through an engine control unit, or ECU, tune. This involves reprogramming your car's computer to optimize fuel delivery, ignition timing, and boost pressure, if applicable. A professional tune can unlock significant hidden power, often increasing horsepower and torque by 15% to 25%. It's a more advanced modification, but the performance gains are substantial and tailored to your specific vehicle. Finally, don't underestimate the power of weight reduction. Removing unnecessary items from your trunk and interior can make a small but noticeable difference. For a more significant impact, consider lightweight wheels. Reducing unsprung weight, which is the weight not supported by the suspension, by 10 to 15 pounds per corner can dramatically improve acceleration, braking, and handling. Every pound counts when you're aiming for a faster ride. Also, for other great deals and that awesome sock link, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.